Hey there, hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to see Sketchup, the basic concept of Sketchup. Fine, hope you all are ready and interesting to watch the video, right? Okay, come on, let's get into it. Now, if you want to draw any plan of a building, what you need to do is you need to import the plan from AutoCAD drawings. For that, you need to click on file, import. Yeah, you need to click on import, and you need to take the AutoCAD file which you prepared or which you designed by yourself. For sample, I'm going to take this file and I'm clicking on import. Yeah, super. Yeah, it's done. Now you can clearly see that actually there are two floor kind of drawings. These two were grouped to make it right, and to work on this very easy process, I'm just right clicking on it and I'm going to click on explode. Yeah, once after exploding, you can able to select each and every line separately. That will be very useful to make a mass surface. Here you can see that I am simply making a diagonal line. You can see I covered this much of portions. If I didn't have any kind of plan, if I haven't imported any kind of plan from AutoCAD, means in that case I need to draw each and every one of the line over here, but this process made it very simple. And also you can check the dimension, cross check the dimension once after importing from the AutoCAD to SketchUp whether your dimensions were right. Sometimes that there may be a chance of having a change in dimension because you might be made some crazy mistakes in AutoCAD. If you avoid those things, those dimension changes mistakes can be fixed. For that, you need to be well versed in AutoCAD unit fixing. Well, I will upload one more video for you to fix unit in AutoCAD. Hope that will be useful for you. You can also check that video in the description link given below. Okay, come on, coming back to this. Yeah, now I am taking line. I am just clicking on this line. You can see for directly before, instead of clicking on these lines directly, I am pressing L on my keyboard and my cursor has been changed. So once after the change of this, I am, as I shown previously, I am drawing the same thing, same line, and also one more intermediate line over here. Yeah, finally I am closing all this. Yeah, yes, it's all done. Only over here it is done, and again over here it is done. Okay, now I have to click on this eraser. I have to take this eraser and I need to remove the unwanted diagonal lines which we drawn to create a mass surface. Instead of going and clicking it over here, in my system I have used shortcut key as E. I'm pressing E. Hope that it is a default shortcut, so you might also be having the E. You just press that once and try it for yourself whether it's working or not, and then remove all the unwanted lines whichever you drawn to make a mask surface. Yeah, over here again I'm pressing on spacebar to make it a normal cursor. I don't want this arrow mark shown in AutoCAD. I'm just removing it, and once again I'm overlapping a line on this. Yeah, now it's done. So we here one more line is left. Yeah, it is done. Now I need to rise wall for this. Before that I am merging all the walls so that if I rise a wall, all walls at a time can be raised, or else I need to pick each and every one of the wall every one of the time. I don't want to repeat that randomly. Instead of that, I need to make it as simple as possible. So I am doing it in this way. Hope you got it. If you had any doubt until now, please mention that in comments. Okay.